everything I like about Disneyland Space Mountain in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Theming. The ride has incredible theming because Disney. The outside of the building is just iconic. 2. It's comfortable and enjoyable. Space Mountain doesn't have anything too extremely forceful going on, and the lap bar's never been uncomfortable for me. The drops and airtime are so much fun in the dark. 3. Music. I could rave about the music all day. In short, the music is synced to the track, especially with the airtime and drops. It's awesome. 4. Single rider is so worth it. The ride capacity of Space Mountain is decent, but there always seems to be room for single riders. 5. Illusions. There's a red light sequence at the beginning that is extremely disorienting and makes me feel like I'm actually spinning. The lighting and music on the ride tricks you into thinking that you're going faster than you really are. After the entire ride being filled with right turns, a sudden left turn at the end is very surprising. Anyways, these are my thoughts on Space Mountain, and thanks for watching.